surface valve.
Surface valves are installed on the upper deck plate of both slop tanks for the collection of spilled oil into the tanks. A U-shaped pipe is fitted below the valve to seal in the tank pressure when the valve is opened for collection of spilled oil. However, be reminded that there is a possibility of gas emission when opening the valve, as the seal pipe may not be fully filled. Therefore, the U-shaped seal pipe must be filled with water on every voyage to preserve the integrity of the seal. This area should always be checked for cleanliness. Clear any obstacles from the area before the ship enters port. If gas emits out when the surface valve is cracked open for filling water, reduce the tank pressure with a high-velocity valve. Ensure the IG branch valve is closed before opening the high-velocity valve. For additional recovery of spilled oil on the upper deck, a diaphragm-type air-driven pump must be on standby on the upper deck of both slop tanks for immediate use.